Morning fellas. In this video I'm going to fit an underseat storage liner. Some might call it a boot liner or a trunk liner. I don't know if you can get an original Vespa or Piaggio one, but I've looked at them on the internet, and if I look at the images of them, they all look pretty much the same thing. So I imagine that for the aftermarket ones, they're all made by the same people. So I bought mine from AliExpress, which was the cheapest. I paid £8.24, but you do have shipping, so it came to a total of £15.37. So it's not a huge amount, and that was certainly the cheapest way that I could find to buy one. There were certainly people on eBay asking for quite a bit more money. It comes with some small Velcro sticky pads, which are in the little pouch. I guess that pouch is, I don't know, for putting credit cards in and things like that. So there's more than enough sticky pads that come with it. So the simplest approach to this really seems to be is to get the sticky pads stuck to the liner, and this allows you to get them sort of roughly into place. I'm going to try doing it with 6 sticky pads, so I'll just get those all fitted now. And this will also mean that there's a few sticky pads left over should we need to make any adjustments. Now I think what I would have done in hindsight is to actually have stuck the sticky pads to the storage bucket first, because as I progress through this, one of the things I have noticed, it's probably not surprising really, is that the Velcro is much stronger than the glue on the pads. So it's would probably have been a better idea to stick them onto the storage bucket, push them down really hard, maybe even give them a few hours to set or cure, and then put the liner in, and then peel off the backings, and then press the liner up against them, and then again give them time to cure. So all I'm really going to do now is to try and do the best first fitting, really, by peeling off the remaining backing tape from the pads, getting it in position as best I can, and then what I'm going to do is really just separate the Velcro so that I can take it out, bearing in mind what I said earlier on about the Velcro being stronger than the glue, and then of course it then has a certain amount of adjustability. You've roughly got the pads in the right places, and then you can fit it back in and hopefully line it up as good as possible. So what I have discovered, which you'll see at the end of this video, is that this liner is not a perfect fit. Will it stretch over time and fit better? Yeah, maybe, but as it currently stands, it's not a perfect fit. It's probably, if anything, not quite long enough, so I couldn't get the end, or one of the end pads properly affixed. So, but to answer my original question, is it worth it? Yes, I think it is. It wasn't expensive. It fits in there well enough, and it, I think, to my mind, is definitely going to stop things from moving around in there while you're riding the bike. So I'm actually going off to do a little job today on somebody's car, so I need to take a tyre pump and a booster battery, so I'm going to put those in there, and I think if I hadn't got this liner in, they will be moving around as I'm riding, and you'll see how I've got those fitted at the end of this video. So hopefully you found this useful. As you can see, I'm showing here that it's not really fitting, but I think as something which is good enough and is going to stop those items moving around in there while I'm riding, I think that's going to be quite useful. So thanks for watching.